What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am right here in Five Below where I left off, and I'm just noticing this big end cap of video game accessories. We have lots of things for Switch. This is the racing wheel. We have the nice Switch storage stand. We have the tennis rackets. We even have a headrest mount for Switch. Wow, you know, keep that good posture, keep that neck from getting tired. That is a really nice idea. We even have a cooling fan and the little golf clubs. We have the dancing wristband. Everything is for Switch right here. We even have chargers, silicone cases, all sorts of things here. Super, super good prices too. Lots of workout items. A massager for $15, a battle rope, a pull-up bar. I think this is new. Tinsel's Pyramid for $3.25. And these Palm Pops, these are definitely new, at least new to me. I haven't been in for a little while. And surprisingly, you guys really haven't requested to see much in here lately. I love filming in here. Okay, so what do we have new for clothes? It looks like we just have a lot of basics. We have some men's shorts, or maybe they're unisex, with the matching short sleeve hoodies. Some real 70s colors. Over here we have pastels. This is loungewear, mostly all loungewear with the matching tops. My store still has lots of scarves and gloves. Oh, these shoes are new. $5 shoes. Please try them on though. Soulmates do run a little bit small. Probably by about a size. So definitely try them on before you take a pair home. These are cute. Cute and new. Ooh, I like those a lot. We have even more slippers over here. I love that they have the hard bottom. So if you want to go down and check the mailbox, if you have that sort of mailbox or living situation, you could, or if you need to go out to the car really quick. These are all so cute. These are a lot thinner. I would choose something like this probably because the sole looks really nice. But then we have some black and white options here as well. You guys know how I feel about their shirts. We gotta head back there and see what shorts might be new. Not shorts, shirts. I was looking at the shorts and I just said shorts. We definitely have to head to the back wall to see what new shirts are out. These clips are new for $3.25. Super cute. They always have scrunchies and hair ties. Lots of headbands. On a different note, you guys, if you love to shop, I know you guys love to shop, that's why you're here. But if you're interested in good deals and you just like love the whole shopping environment, I hope you guys will register down below because I am going to be starting live auctions here on my channel, here on Bunny Birdy Gator. I'm not creating another channel for it. And it's going to be a lot of fun. I've been a reseller for 18 years and I definitely want to start these online auctions. I want to downsize my inventory before I move. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. So we have these options. Look at that. These are cute. We have this one. We have all the silver ones. These are so cute. I think Birdy would really like this one right here. Like probably a lot. I wonder if they're all the same. I think they are all the same. These are $4.25. I'm gonna put that in my cart for now. Think about getting that. Cute bracelets. I love that they have little sets. Anklets. All their cute little rings. Rings and earrings. Chokers. This one is cute. This one is $5. I love these two a lot. I really like this as well with the toggle, but I don't know if I like that print. So cute. Everything is just so cute. We have even more rings up here. We have cards and cards full of earrings. I mean, so many. Like, so many. And all of these are just $5. I think you get like 20 pair on each card. Some of these shirts are new over here too. Flash. Okay, well maybe just a couple of them. These are still here, these slides. These are supposed to be dupes for like the pillow slides. And then we have even more shoes over here. The shoes look like they're a really good seller, all the canvas shoes. Again, this is the Soulmate brand, so make sure you guys try them on first. These are really cute, super cute. I think these ones are new as well. And we made it. We made it to the t-shirt wall. Kindness Juice is a unisex shirt. It's brand new. A lot of these, they've written unisex. I think all of them, well, most of them are considered unisex. Some of them are considered to be juniors, which means the sizing is going to be a little smaller. Oh, that one's new. The kitty unicorn, Stay Weird. That's a unisex shirt. Oh, that's cute. Stay Weird. I like that. Escape is new. Escape. 90s colors all day long. Look at that. Escape. This one is also new and it's unisex. We just have this on the front. Also, State of Mind is new. Really pretty colors. This one is new and it says Error Fail. Anime shirt. Not Monday Again. I actually saw that last time. Not Monday Again. And I think the Malibu one is new also. I like the colors of that one. The smiley face is new. And I believe this one is new as well. And this is what it looks like. Really cute. The very next video is going to be makeup. So come back to my very next video, you guys. We're going to head over to makeup and beauty and hygiene. I'm seeing a lot of new things over here. So I'm going to start here and work my way over there. So I hope you guys come back to my very next video. It's going to be a great video. I love sharing the makeup. I love sharing all the deals. This is a great place to come if you're looking for mascara or if you want to try the best incense that was ever invented. It's $2 here. Nag Champa incense is my favorite all-time incense ever. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me here in Five Below. Until the next video, if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit that little button and subscribe. All right, you guys, well, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.